How to fix the Apple logo flashes on and off. So if you're unable to turn on your iPhone and you're just seeing the Apple logo, I'll show you how to solve this issue. Now, first thing we need to do is try a simple key combination on the device. So tilt your phone onto the side like this, and you need to quickly press the volume up button, the volume down button, and then hold the lock screen button on the right hand side of your phone. Now continue to hold the lock screen button down for around about 60 seconds. So eventually your iPhone screen will go completely black. Continue to hold the lock screen button down. After about 20 more seconds, you'll see the Apple logo appear. Once you see the Apple logo, you can release the lock screen button. You can then try restarting your iPhone and check if that solves the issue. Now, if it's still not working, it may be due to insufficient battery on the device. So you can grab your charging cable and try plugging one end into the phone and the other end into a charging outlet. Now, if it's still not working, make sure you're using the original Apple charging cable. Sometimes aftermarket cables actually cause this issue. Now, if it's still not working, there is one final solution. So what you'll need for this is a computer or a laptop. I'll just be using my Windows computer. Now, you need to go and download an app called Apple Devices, and you can download this completely for free on the Microsoft Store. Once you have it downloaded, go and open up the app. Now, once the app's open, just go and press start, and then you need to head over to your iPhone. Grab a USB-C cable and plug one end into your iPhone and the other end into your laptop or computer. Now, what you need to do is enter the recovery mode on your iPhone. So to do this, go and perform the key combination again. So we're going to press the volume up button, the volume down button, and then hold the lock screen button. Continue to hold the lock screen button down until the screen goes black. Keep holding it down until you see the Apple logo appear, and this time continue to hold the lock screen button until your iPhone goes into recovery mode. You can then head back over to your computer and you'll see this screen here. Now what you can do is try clicking the update button to fix the issue where your iPhone's not turning on. If it's still not working, you can also try the restore option, and that's how to fix the issue where the Apple logo keeps flashing on and off.